Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video I'll be talking about how you can fix your black screen, frozen screen with your iPhone XS. Also how you can do a factory reset as well. A very easy way to fix this issue is to test the TenorShare software. I must say that this software is highly recommended, especially for iOS 12, and for all problems that you may encounter, this software from TenorShare is very ideal, highly recommended thousands of Apple users. So yeah, you don't lose your data. There are many different functions that you may like, so I recommend the software from TenorShare. They defeat all of iOS 12 problems, guys. So let me get into what you can do to resolve those issues, your black screen, your frozen screen. Yeah, so what you want to do, you want to try the iPhone XS hard reboot command, and to perform this you need to hold down the volume up and the volume down together along with the power button. So you need to hold them down until the phone restarts. In other words, the phone will reboot and your phone will boot up successfully, and you can go right ahead and enter your passcode. Also, what you can do, you can do a test and ensure that your iPhone device is being connected to your computer, and then you can perform a software update, or you can recover your iPhone. Also, I'm gonna tell you how you can do a reset, and to do this you will need to press and release the volume up button. The second step, do the same with the volume down button as well. The third step, you will need to press and hold the side button, sleep/wake key, until the iPhone XS display the Apple logo. You will need to be patient until the device boots back up, and provide your passcode to unlock it. So yeah guys, this is how you can fix those issues. If it happened that you experience any problem, you can find additional information in the video description, and also you will need to check out the TenorShare software if you are a iPhone user. So I'm Lens, and I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and yeah, drop a comment in the comment section.